Go ahead and lie back all the way down onto your mat. Bring the soles of the feet together and let your knees open wide. And just let yourself be heavy for a moment. And then start to deepen your breath. Draw each inhale deep into the belly and then surrender a little more into the support of your mat with each exhale. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll all the way up. Then find child's pose, hips back and down. Melt the chest toward the mat as the hips soften. Move to forearm plank. Shift forward and come onto your forearms as you step the feet back. Stay here, breathe in, lift the right leg up. Continue to push down through your elbows to support the chest and shoulders. Lower the right leg down. Breathe in, left leg lifts. Fire up the left glute and lift the back heel higher. Lower the leg. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Boat pose. Reach your arms forward, engage your belly, lean back and straighten the legs. Twist left, take the arms left, exhale, lower the right leg. Inhale back to center, right leg lifts. Twist right, exhale, arms right, lower the left leg. Inhale, come back to center. Take a few more rounds on your own. Come center, find stillness. Set up for reverse plank. Walk your hands behind you, legs long, then lift the hips. Now pull the right knee up toward your chest and extend the leg to the sky. Strong core, reach the front ribs to the sky. Float the leg back down. Lower the hips, find boat again. Exhale, half boat. Curl down and bring your low back to the mat. Hover your shoulders and your legs above the mat. Feel the shake in your core. Arms sweep overhead. Keep everything lifted. Now roll onto your right side. Engage the left oblique and lift up higher. Back to half boat, arms by sides. Reverse plank again. Start to rise, hands behind, legs long. Then lift the hips. Now pull the left knee up toward your chest and extend the leg to the sky. Draw the shoulder heads down away from your neck. Float the leg back down. Lower the hips, boat again. Half boat again. Exhale. Arms overhead, arms and legs stay lifted. Roll onto your left side. Balance on the left hip. Roll back to half boat. Arms sweep down. Come back up to boat. Inhale. Release to the mat and stretch your fingers and toes long. Engage the core. Come back to half boat. Hold here. Just sweep the arms overhead. Reach through fingers and toes. Keep hovering the legs just off the mat and sweep the arms by your sides. Come back to an easy seat. Plant your hands, jump back, chaturanga. Up dog, inhale, elbow straight. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Shift forward to plank, inhale. Side plank, shift the weight into the left hand and take the heels to the left. Sweep the right arm high. Inhale, float the right leg away from the left and bring the right arm by your ear. Now side crunch, right elbow to right knee. Breathe in, stretch long. Exhale, crunch it in. Use the breath and flow at your own pace. The next time your arm is by your ear, stay and reach along. Come back to plank. Other side, weight comes into the right hand, left fingers reach high. Then inhale, float the left leg away from the right and bring the left arm by your ear. Crunch it in, left elbow to right knee. Inhale, reach long. Exhale, elbow to knee. Take a few more rounds on your own. Pause the next time your arm is by your ear. Come back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga, elbows bend to 90 degrees. Inhale, up dog, shoulders back. Exhale, back to down dog. Lower the knees and have a seat on your heels. Pendant, round the spine, hollow out the belly and press the hands down as the hips lift up. Then keep the toes on the mat, lift through the core and float the knees up. Knees stay lifted, right toes lift and lower the foot down. Left toes lift up and lower back down. Take one more round. Lower everything down and take a rest. Find tabletop, hands to the mat, align shoulders over wrists and hips over knees. Half Hanuman. Step the right foot forward and then straighten the leg and flex the foot, hips way back. Then take your right heel across your mat to the left and rotate the right toes to the center for an IT band stretch. Inhale here. Fold as you exhale. Draw the right hip back and feel sensation all along the outer right thigh. Rise up, then find lizard. Slide your right foot out wide to the right, sole of the foot to the mat, bend the knee, and stack knee over ankle. Stay here or come down onto your forearms. Feel the hip flexor release. Come back up onto your hands. Return to tabletop. Back to half Hanuman. Step the left foot forward and then lengthen the leg. Then slide your left heel over to the right, left toes point to the center for an IT band stretch. Take a breath in. Exhale, fold. Soften the shoulders and neck here. Feel the outside of the left thigh lengthen. Rise back, then move to lizard. Slide your left foot out wide to the left, bend the knee, and stack knee over ankle. To go deeper, come down onto your forearms. Soften the shoulders. Come back up onto your hands. Find tabletop again. Then find a seat again. Half saddle, left leg long, right leg bends, heel close to your glute. Take the left foot into your hands, then lead with the heel and extend the left leg. Continue to sit tall. Press the heel away. Lower the leg back down. Other side now. Right leg out long. Bend your left knee, heel toward your glute. Take your right foot in your hands and then extend the right leg. Press the heel away. Then soften the shoulders down. Lower the leg back to the mat. Transition to lying on your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Exhale, knees to the left. Reach your right arm to the right. Gaze right. Allow the body to settle here. Everything relaxed, everything heavy. Unwind, bring the knees back to center. Other side, knees to the right, gaze left, exhale. Melt the left shoulder down toward the mat. Release the twist, then slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Take one final long inhale. Release everything down, Shavasana. Feel free to stay exactly as you are for as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.